Hi my lovely people, welcome to Teacher Jess channel. So today we're going to talk about enzymes produced by different digestive organs and their functions. So should we just go straight into it? But first, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more amazing lessons. So let's begin. So we have salivary enzymes and we're going to talk about each and every enzyme. So the first one is salivary amylase. It is secreted by the salivary glands in the mouth. Salivary amylase begins digestion by breaking down complex carbohydrates, also known as starches, into simpler sugars like maltose and glucose. Next is lingual lipase. This enzyme plays a minor role in lipid digestion by breaking down triglycerides into fatty acids in glycerol. It is secreted by glands in the tongue. So those are the first two. Next, we're moving to gastric enzymes. The first one is pepsin. It's produced by the chief cells in the stomach lining as inactive pepsinogen. Pepsin is activated by hydrochloric acid to break down proteins into smaller peptides, aiding in protein digestion. Pepsin works optimally in the acidic environment of the stomach. Next, we move to renin. It's secreted by gastric chief cells in infants. Renin plays a role in digesting milk proteins by converting caseinogen to casein, facilitating their digestion by pepsin. So I hope that's clear for pepsin and renin. Next, we move to another enzyme, under gastric enzymes, which is gastric lipase. This enzyme, produced by chief cells in the stomach, aids in the digestion of dietary fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Next is gastric amylase, found in small amounts in the stomach. Gastric amylase begins the digestion of carbohydrates into simpler sugars like maltose. So those are the four enzymes under gastric enzyme. Next, we move to pancreatic enzymes, and the first one is pancreatic amylase, secreted by the pancreas into the small intestine. Pancreatic amylase continues the digestion of carbohydrates, breaking down starches into maltose and other simple sugars. Next, we have pancreatic lipase. This enzyme is a primary enzyme for digesting dietary fats into fatty acids and glycerol for absorption. We move to the third enzyme, Trypsin and Chymotrypsin. These pancreatic processes break down proteins into peptides and amino acids, aiding in protein digestion. And lastly, pancreatic nucleases, or what am I supposed to say that? Okay. These enzymes digest nucleic acids, which are DNA and RNA, into nucleotides and are important for nucleic acid digestion. Next, we move to intestinal enzymes, and we're going to talk about peptides. Enzymes such as aminopeptidase and dipeptidase break down peptides into individual amino acids, facilitating their absorption into the bloodstream. So that's it for peptidase. Another enzyme under intestinal enzymes are lactase, maltase, sucrase, trehalase, and dextrinase. These enzymes, located on the brush border of the small intestine epithelial cells, further digest disaccharides into monosaccharides for absorption. And last, we have intestinal lipase, produced by the small intestine. Intestinal lipase aids in the digestion of dietary fats into fatty acids and glycerol. So there are a lot of enzymes that are involved in the breakdown of carbohydrates, digestion of proteins, and absorption. We've talked about them, and I hope you've learned a lot. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Teacher Jess channel. Bye.